How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. No, I haven't moved cushions yet. That way, innit? I've come with it's a stupid idea or a good idea. At the bottom here, you know where it's touching carpet, to make life a little bit easier, you know, for pulling and pushing and all that lot. I'm just wondering, because I've got 3 lengths of this stuff here, but it means I'm going to have to cut some off the bottom of this to accommodate it. It'd be worth it though, wouldn't it? It'll look well. We'll just finish it off. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a piece on bottom of there. Right, wish me luck on this one. Right, this is the stuff. Better, won't it? Right, the problem now is then I've got to cut that much off, which is about, well, not about, I need it exactly, don't I? In fact, you know, wouldn't matter if it's a little bit higher, because actually when it pulls out it needs a bit of extra at this end. Well, I'm going to have to cut it anyway, aren't I? Do you know, I used to have a joiner's pencil. In fact, I had a pack of them. Oh, I'm going to use my new miter saw. I've got the new miter saw, you know. Right, we're going to postpone that. I've cut the length. I've hardly any glue, so yeah, I'll just leave it. I'm going to go and pick some up tomorrow from Screwfix, so I'll glue it on then, use the activator and everything, and it won't budge. It's good stuff, is that? Right, so I'm going to get all the cushions moved from here and check out what I need for that. Okay. Right, I've had a good hard think about this. I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've done with the other side. You know, with slide outs. So then we can have 2 big singles. The cushions, see, well, that's what I've looked at the face with there, you see. The cushions that go there, and and then obviously I'm going to have the back piece. Well, that back piece can go there, so just do it so as it pulls out. I think, are they about 9 inch, 10 inch? So if that pulls out 9 inch, 10 inch, that cushion then can cut at end here, and that little one can go against the wall down. So I've got a big single, and that's the same on that side. Or I can pull this right out here to make it into a double, or pull this right out here and this right out, and have a huge house bed. I mean, massive. So yeah, so this is gonna be, well, not a long video, but it's gonna take a couple of days to get this video together. Look what Paul's been buying, bits of carpet and, oh no way, I've left my bloody lats. Yeah, I've left my bloody lats. Anyway, it's too late now to go up, but I have a lot of ripping out to do. I can't believe I've done that. What it was, where they cut the lats, and then we put them to one side because there were 42 of them. And I wanted a piece of ply cutting, so we went to do that. On the way back, he said, "Do you need hotels?" I said, "Yeah, 4 lengths of the 45 by 21. No, 45 by 20. So we got them, put them into the van, and that what I just forgot. I went to fucking pay. Oh, I don't believe it. Anyway, done in it. Well, I'm gonna rip this out now. Cool. Oh, fucking idiot. Oh, a bloody idiot. Well, that was bloody easy, wasn't it? Best part of 30 seconds. Right, I'm going to be resting it on that one, that brown one there, not that one, on top of this and that. Not that it needs all them. Yeah. In fact, right, so what, anyway, the problem is this is 20mm thick, and this, there's a bit of a doodah there. So I think put a strip of ply on each one, that'll bring it up. And then I can put one right at the back. I forgot what I did now. I forgot what I did on the other one. and everything's on top of it. Anyway, right, so I'll cut the ply and get that. Right, I've put that on, the doos, and engine whistle at the same time. I can't remember whether, I think I did, didn't I? Didn't I stand one up at the back? At the back of there, stood one up and then put one against it, didn't I? Or did I? Yeah, I did. Put one up again, put it against it. Right, I shall do that now. Right, I've cut the pieces to length, just for the back there. So right, so we've got his, I don't know what to call it, platform? Door frame, because that's what you're basically doing, isn't it? Well, this is going to be easier than last time, isn't it? Yeah, so the lats now, I'm only filling in these two sides just for the sake of filling them in. No need really. Is there? Northern Pole. You know. Well, I'm in a bit of a rush now because I think it's going to rain. It's been raining all over the place. Well, I've marked the board, everything, because this isn't square. So, right. Well, it's starting to bloody rain. Anyway, that's cut. And so all we need to do is get the lats, put the lats on, and yeah, I'm just wondering if I can do it in here. Right, let's get on with that. Well, it's from one extreme to the other, isn't it? Fantastic weather last week. Hailstone. We've got hailstone. Bring all my wood in, so I've not got any bloody room to work. Yeah, I don't. Oh God. I'm just trying to work out a way where I can do it in here. You know, put the lats on. Right, I've got them all laid out. I think what I'm going to do this time, I'm going to put a spacer in between. And then, you know, the sliding lat will give it a bit more movement. Yeah, I think I will. Yeah, just one. Yeah. I don't mean a permanent spacer. Just oh, that's fixed. Right, that's a slider. In fact, oh, come on, Paul. You've got a banging headache. This board needs to come out a bit. That's it. I can get my fingers back to there, that's a slider. So if we put a spacer in there, yeah, if I put that to there. Like when you do with dials, you know. And then the next one will be fixed, won't it? Yeah. God, this is hard work not doing it outside. And you know, it hasn't rained since it started messing here. Getting it all ready. Oh. This drill screwy thingy I've got, it don't give you any warning that it's going to pack in. Oh, I'm at that stage. Oh, gutted. Again. Right, no choice now, leave it till tomorrow.